So, so before I start off this video, like as the day goes by, as in remembering the Disney Pixar's cartoon shorts, which is like Tokyo Mater, all the way back then 2010, and then there are some very good releases by far in that line, which ended up being cancelled. Like for example, this guy right here, which is Kabuto with Flames, which was cancelled back then 2010. Then 2000 and let's see here. It's pretty hard to keep track on how many times that this diecast has been cancelled, but I guess around 2013. So whatever. So that's not what I'm here to talk about, but what I'm here to talk about is this guy. So this is also, by the way, one of my cards from my most recent Christmas haul from last year, which is one of the last ones that I haven't reviewed. And this is also the grand finale of the last year's Christmas haul. As you can see from the short Tokyo Mater, we get to see his picture on his card art for the very first time, along with the Kabuto Ninja. So this is actually this also first 2-pack release. I mean, this is also a 2-pack release, by the way. I don't know in which cases are they in, which I'm also not aware of. Or maybe I think it's that movie prop case, which is the case that this guy's in. Not so sure. Kabuto. I'm really excited to bust this guy open. As you can see, it just says Kabuto. They do not actually specify Kabuto with Flames. As you can see right there, the flame sticking out. Kabuto Ninja. So I also have the China one to compare him to later on throughout the video. But I mean, yeah, here's Kabuto. Would be comparing him side by side with his old Chinese counterpart. I know Mr. Docket used to have like some cancelled prototypes of like, or variants of like the Kabuto with Flames, which is like the, I must say, the one with this, I mean this guy, which has this expression. I mean the Kabuto with Flames with this type of expression, and this guy which has this expression, which they should be ending up releasing by the near future, since just right before they cancelled it. It got cut or so, whatever. And then as for the Kabuto Ninja, which not gonna complain about all that much. I'm really like happy to see him back. Supposedly this year, 2025, Bye Bye Car is supposed to come out as well. Seems to it like Mattel isn't planning on releasing her, or maybe they just canceled her for some reason. So that's that for the front of the package. Then here's the back. It shows the other 2-packs. The other 2-packs shown at the back of the box. At the back of the package, it says there, as seen from Disney Pixar's cartoon Tokyo Mater, obviously, Drift Party Mater, and Dragon McQueen, which is quite embarrassing for me. I do need a replacement for my Dragon Lightning McQueen because like I accidentally broke off his spoiler for some reason, or it actually broke off for some reason. I don't know. I don't know how did it ended up like breaking its spoiler, but whatever. And I am still yet to get one of the rarest Tokyo-Mater diecast of them all is Tokyo-Mater himself, which I only have here on my hands. Is the Takara Tomika variation of him. So, also by the way, when they first released the cartoon, Disney Pixar's cartoons line, even also the Tokyo-Mater line, when they very first released them, Idro-san whatsoever is also in it. They also released him as a new Thailand variant of 2023. So as Patoka, and I know there's actually 3 singles, but even Kabuto from last year, 2024, Komodo, which they made these rims more metallic, they put like metallic paint on these rims. New Thailand variant of 2024. So that's pretty much it. So without any more rambling, let's bust these two open. Anyways, the card and package is already damaged anyways. Oh no. I think I have to... don't wanna damage the card though. There's one out. That could have ended up pretty badly. I guess that could have worked. And then now, here we go. Finally have these guys out of their package. Now it's time for their actual review, starting on where they appeared. The short Tokyo-Mater. Basically, they appeared throughout. Like this guy is however challenging Mater into a race. He said like I don't actually quite remember the line he said, but I just remembered that he ended up losing throughout the race. In the end, he ended up losing, and this is the result that happened to him after he lost the race. He lost all of his racing gear, decals and stuff. So yeah. So besides from that, let's start off with the review by starting with Kabuto Ninja. Now, let's see here. Zoom in. It's pretty much the same as the original one, OG. Can almost clearly tell the difference now. Off camera, I can tell the Thailand one is a lot darker. Flashlight on, so I can still having trouble. Same sort of same facial expression. Bandana with the Japanese characters and the symbol. Headlights. Whatever these things are. Headlights. Double spoiler, which I like that feature. Which some of the tuner cars have uniquely. I'm already liking this guy so far. So the only complaint for some people like Mr. Docket, for example, they changed this silver type of paint for the exhaust pipe to a gray paint for the exhaust pipe. Like this looks more plasticky compared to this, so I would rather prefer this over this. Like, which one do you prefer? For us, or most Pixar Cars fans most likely prefer the old version. The long-term explanation for that, but there we go. For that's that for Kabuto Ninja. And main attraction for this video is Kabuto with Flames himself. Starting off first by looking at him solo first, because I really adore and love the the expression that Mattel gave him. I really like the part when I rub my finger across his hood. It's very smooth. I can't believe it. Wow. Very eager and determined to win the race and eliminate Mater once and for all. Maybe that's the line that I've been taking off. The like type of ribbon type of spoiler thing in yellow, color yellow. Yeah, there's the original Kabuto. Oh, I nearly forgot. Carbon fiber spoiler for the both of these two, the Thailand and China and Chinese Kabuto Ninja. Even same for Kabuto, carbon fiber for the spoiler. Triple spoiler, I should say. Cool. And then the trim, red trims, on the gray rims and red trims on the tires, which is not that visible anymore on the Thailand, which is quite surprising. And then the flame, which I like the part which from a aqua blue that fades to a magenta color, which is a very nice sort of color combination. And then for the exhaust, from silver to gray. Silver to gray. This looks more plasticky. This looks legit. Absolute legit, like part of the metal body. Just like my situation, just like the same situation with Kabuto Ninja over here. Absolute legit. Wow. Just wow. Now it's becoming more visible, thank God. Just like, wow, I'm really happy. Frown on his face. Let's compare with the frown of slightly almost the same frown for the stripped Kabuto variant. No license plate. And then how about for the Ninja? So just for funsies, we're just gonna compare them side by side with the stripped Kabuto variant. Which is not entirely the same, but I mean, yeah. To be honest, overall a great diecast to add to your Pixar Cars collection. Even though it's a cancelled release, and then after like since this guy was cancelled over like 2010, let's just say around after 10 years, I mean after I guess 9 years being cancelled, I mean no, after 8 years of being cancelled, he finally got his very first debut 2024, so no complaints about that. That is it. So let me know down in the comments. I mean, if this was like a Thailand versus China review, which would you prefer? Thailand or China? I'll definitely go with China. I mean, in terms of the detailing and stuff, but whatever. But overall, still one of my top favorite cars of like another top 10 for me, I guess, but I don't know how would they rank these. Aside from Bertha Barter's Wagon, which was a cancelled release back then, 2010, Final Lap Collection, whatever. So again, so I guess I'll be signing off now. So I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video and enjoy the rest of your day. So rest of your day or weekend, or whatever day it is, wherever you live. So once again, see you soon for another video, which would be on um Jonathan Gerson. So I'll see you soon for his review and another video. So this is the Pixar Cars fan saying peace.